Tired of chasing friends and family for pending payments? Let's ditch the awkward reminders and learn how to effortlessly send payment requests on Phonepe. First, unlock your phone and open the Phonepe app. Once you're on the home screen, look for the mobile number icon. It usually sits right at the top. Tap on it. Now, you'll see your contact list. If the person you want to request money from is already in your Phonepe contacts, simply scroll down and find their name. If not, no worries. Use the search bar at the top to type in their phone number. After finding or entering the phone number, you will be seeing an option to send the payment or request the payment. Tap on the request button. Okay, now you have a blank payment request field. Type in the exact amount you want to request in the amount box. Make sure it's accurate to avoid any confusion later. Below the amount field, you will see a place to add a note. Although it's optional, adding a note about what the payment is for, like lunch from yesterday, helps the other person understand and approve the request faster. Double-check everything: the amount, the note, and especially the recipient's details. Once you're absolutely sure it's all correct, tap the request button at the bottom. That's it. You should see a confirmation message saying payment request sent along with the recipient's name. You can also see the option to remind or cancel the request if needed. The person you requested payment from will now receive a notification on their Phonepe app. You'll also be notified once they complete the payment. You can view the payment status in the notification bell section on your Phonepe home screen. And that's how you send a payment request on Phonepe. No more awkward conversations, just quick and easy requests. Happy requesting!